send a letter to my mommy. On the way I dropped it. I dropped it, I dropped you. Yes, on the way I dropped it.
And the flapping gulls, the vain thunders.
Ah, Dylan, you're musing. Apologies. I was taking the air and thought I'd drop by.
Richard, my dear Dickon, come in. Did Kathleen send you? Has she forgiven me?
She's having lunch with Francis.
She can be a tempest, and I, a raging sea. Sometimes we cannot fathom each other.
Huh. No marriage is entirely plain sailing, old man. And just think, we might never have met if you hadn't pursued her here. What is it, 2 years ago? Now, that was a stormy weekend. Augusta certainly had the wind put up him.
Ah, yes, Mr. John. I stole Kathleen from him, and he hurt his poor painter's hand, punching me in the head. My eye was like a poached egg, only black.
As black as the jackdaws in the castle ruins. And speaking of the castle, I trust you find the views from here as inspiring as I do. What progress with the stories?
Prodigious. From the top of the ruins I can see Roselli. Stirs up the memories of myself as a young pup. In fact, my title will be Portrait of an Artist of a Young Dog.